It's midnight, and we're gonna do the cinnamon challenge because you didn't tell me. Oh, buddy. We really don't want to do this, but we're going to anyway. Okay, here we go.
Your spoons are won't stay on the nose.
It's not coming out.
If I throw up, I'm just gonna cry. Use a big baby.
Hold it. I'm just gonna like.
You hold it. Oh God.
It doesn't smell like anything. It's just powder.
Oh crap.
No, tap that. It just don't pour it out.
Alright, you're good.
That's good. Okay.
Okay. You can go first.
No, we're doing it at the same time.
Oh no, we're not.
Don't make this easy.
Okay, I'm good.
Hold on. My girl. Okay.
We're gonna die.
Here we go. On the count of 3. 1, 2. Wait, I need to work up a lot of spit. Gotta get the spit flowing. Okay. I'm scared. Here we go. Before I lose my nerve. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Really. Alright, speedy fast. Okay. I think I have more than you. Okay. Good. 1, 2, 3.
That's so gross.
You just throw up. Oh my god, I'm gagging. It doesn't even taste like anything, it's just like dry.
I know. It's like that. Oh, I have it in there. Oh, it's so hot. Why is that hot? Why is the water hot? Why is the water hot?
Okay.